Now I'll teach you how to remove this woven piece from the cardboard loom. Now you have to be very careful and observe these steps very carefully. We will remove all the sellotapes that we have attached behind. And we'll start from this point. We'll remove this thread first. And just put this across like this. Remove the needle. And cut this away. Now I'm removing this point first. Like this. Can you see this? And this. Now very slowly I'll hold the piece and I'll pull this string. Can you see this has closed? See, this has closed. Very slowly and very gently I'll pull it. Now you remove the next stitch from the knot like this. The second line over here. Now you pull this here, right? So this will go in an alternative way. So now you will pull. First you pulled from the right side. Now you will pull from the left side. Hold your weaving and pull it down here like this. So it has closed from this side also. See. Now these two loose ends we will tie with each other. We'll tie a small knot. And cut the extra very closely. Remove the next part. We pull from this side, left side. Now we'll pull from the right side. So we will alternatively remove each thread from the loom and keep on pulling, once from the right side, once from the left side. I'm purposely showing you to hold this so that it doesn't turn its shape. See, you can see that these are closing. Just to remember the trick, suppose if you are removing one notch from the right side, then that's the side that you have to pull. Now you are removing from the left side, so you will pull the thread from the left side. This is quite easy to remember. So see, we have pulled this out and all the edges have closed. Both the edges have closed. See, this is the way it looks from behind. Very same as it is, very neat and tidy, and it is still looking like a square. If you would have woven very tight, or if you would have pulled these threads, these purple threads very hard or very tight, then it would have looked very different. The shape would have been uneven. Now comes the final part of these two threads. What you will do is you will sew these ends So what we'll do is I've just string the end of this woolen thread in a needle, and I will just go through like this and simply make a knot. Very slowly and carefully you will make a knot.